yung gamot, kumadumog-moy. Mawa na gani sa pananaw sa bata, mga ginikanan or the adults accompanying the child, they will be trembling in fear. Hila ng bata, mahandog, o na kadagang kayo tag-announcement sa PA, sa ball, na ang bata natin-ad. Pero actually, dili ang bata mo, ang bata minawa. Actually, dili ang bata minawa. Ang ginikanan minawa, asa ka doon, ang ginikanan, dili ang bata minakin-ad. And yet, this kind of a sense of dependence of the child is actually the very foundation of this virtue of humility that the Lord is requiring us to enter heaven. Because in the virtue of humility, it tells us that we are only relying on God and not on ourselves. To be humble is to acknowledge our limitations, just like a little child. To be humble is to acknowledge our total dependence on the love of God, just like a little child. Unless we become like little children, we will not enter into the kingdom of God, in which the Lord tries to tell us that if your heart is not humble, then heaven is not for you. It is in the humility of our hearts that will open the portals of heaven. And this what makes us to merit our hope, to be humble always, to be grounded of who we are as a person, and not trying to tell ourselves na makaya na nato isa tuway Ginoo. And that is the opposite of this virtue of humility, in which the world is enticing us of becoming. The devil is so cunning to tell you, to tell us, that we are enough. The devil is so cunning to convince us that we are capable of anything, that we should not need God anymore. And this is the allurement of the world and of our spiritual enemy, the devil, as the prince of lies. Nga iyat ang bakakan nga, di na kinahanglan Ginoo. Karon nga graduate na kag-CIT, di na kinahanglan Ginoo, ikaw na'y Ginoo. Karon nga may na imong trabaho, may na imong mangita, di na kinahanglan Ginoo. Ang imong pagkakugihan, ang imong naaptan, o ni Ginoo nimo. Somehow, this is not being articulated directly or articulately in our hearts, but somehow our kind of attitude is like this.